Endless Runner Part 6. Add collision. How do we add a collision between the hare and the stone? The hare should still be active in the asset list. Drag in a collision block and an if block to attach below. Drag in a block with the equal sign on it. It must have 2 black and 1 green connectors on it. Connect the green to the if block. Then we connect the top black one to other, which is connected to the collision block. Drag the stone from the stage into the construction area of the hare. Now it appears in the field area. Name this Stein. Connect Get Stein to the block with the equal sign. Drag in a block called Call and attach this below if inside the frame. Now we drag the hare from the stage into the construction area. Call this self in the field area and connect Get Self to node. Finally, we get a text block. Type Game Over inside the block, same as in Method, and connect it to Name. Now we tell the computer that if the stone collides with the hare, the Game Over function will be called and the game will stop. Then we can test. Try it yourself.